Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Tomba. Tomba is a lead generation tool and it's one of the most popular tool on AppSumo, and it will help you to find tons of professional leads. And see, they're saying that you can find professional email addresses from any website in seconds, and it will take only 1 to 2 click from you. And you will not only get here professional email addresses guys, you can also find here phone number of the website, and you can find, let's say, the LinkedIn of the CEO of the website and other various leads from the website. And let's say you will go to any one of the website, and then you are searching where are their email and where are their contact page. But if you use this tool, you do not need to search these things. It will help you to find the email, the professional email, the mobile number and other contact details in just one click. See, they have a Chrome extension. You have to just install this Chrome extension. And see, I have been installed the Chrome extension already guys here. And just come to the Chrome extension of Tomba email finder and then install it on your browser. It will be the first step whenever you will sign up or log in on Tomba basically. And see, the extensions available as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera and Safari. So whatever extension you are using guys, you can use this Tomba basically. These are the things. Also, there are a lot of other features. I'll show you all the features guys after some time. But before that, if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Tomba, see, here are code system. For one code you have to pay 89 USD, and you will get 500 search request, 100 phone verification and 1000 verification request in one code. And here you will get the feature for domain export, email finder, email verification, enrichment and finder. Also, the extensions for almost every browser are available. Also, there are a lot of integrations to team member option, and API and webhooks are available. You can stack more code if you need more feature basically. And see, this is one of the most popular tool guys on AppSumo. This tool has been launched on AppSumo on 8 June, and today when I'm recording this video, today is, let's say, 19 June. See, within this time it has gotten 10 reviews, and this tool is not a featured deal on AppSumo. And this tool has no video also on AppSumo. See, there are no video by AppSumo. Still, this tool is getting a lot of attention from the buyers of AppSumo. I hope you get the idea about this tool guys. And see, everyone is saying that the tool is very good. See, this person has got 315 deals from AppSumo, and this person is saying time to get it. So everyone is giving here 5-star review guys. I hope you get idea. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Tomba and let's explore what have inside the dashboard. But before that, make sure that you have installed this Tomba extension on your browser. And see, this is the dashboard of Tomba, and this dashboard you do not have to use in every time. Let's say you will go to any website. Let's say I will go to the website of Uber Suggest for example purpose. And see, whenever I have been entered to this website, see, the extension of Tomba has captured 33 leads from this website or Uber Suggest or Neil Patel's website. And now if I click here, see, you will get all the emails associated with this domain basically. See, here are the main email. You can copy the reference from here, and then you can send any email to this email or to this contact basically. And you can also see the LinkedIn page of this person from here. And see, here you can verify the email, and you can see the score of the email. See, this email's score is 90%, but this email's score is 50%. And the another cool thing is it will extract one email from various sources. See, this email has been extracted from 4 sources, and you can see from which sources this email has been extracted. So depending on various source, it will give you the best result or the best lead. And see, here I have option to verify email. You can verify email, just click on this right button, and see, it's a valid email. So in this way you can verify the email also, and you can see the score of the email. That means it will help you to understand what is the deliverability of this email, how much this email is using by this website basically. You can get idea about the email also through this score. And see, here you can see the person's name, you can see the Twitter handle, you can see the LinkedIn account. Also there have in some case the country of the person or the country of this contact. And here you can see the score of the email. You can verify the email. I hope you get idea, guys. And you can see the source of the email. That means from which sources this email has been gotten. So these are the things, guys. And see, this email has been gotten from 20 sources. So these are the things, guys. Now here another feature is you can collect this lead. See, there have option to save this contact as a lead. You can just click on this plus icon and it will be saved on the list basically. And see, here you can create multiple list. See, you can create a list on app, you can create a list on extension. Let's say I'll create a list on app. Just click here app, and then it will redirect you to the app basically. And here give the name of your list. Let's say the name of your list is list 1. And then type, let's say they're saying your list type is campaign by default. Soon we will add more type. Okay, as of now only campaign type is available, but in future you will get more type here basically. And after that just click here create the list, and your list will be created. So now if you go to the website of Uber Suggest or any website that you want, and then if you here select your list, see they're saying list 0. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, see on list 1 I have 0 lead basically. Now if I select here list 1, and then if I save this lead as a lead, then this lead will be saved basically under this list 1. So let me save some lead from here. See, let's say I will save these leads from here. Okay, it's not valid. And then let's say I have been added 5 leads in my list 1. Now if I go to this list, let's say I'll enter to this list. Just click here on this view leads, and see these are the leads. And here are the first name, last name, country, if these things are available, position, Twitter handle, LinkedIn handle, then company name. Then here have more options. See action, in action there have option to add more information. If you want to add basically, you can add here note, you can add here profile picture, you can add the name, website. And see, you can connect through various other tools. You can connect with Pipedrive, Airtable, HubSpot, and Mailchimp. So these are the things, guys. You can collect your leads in this way. And these are the example for nailpatel.com. Let's say you will go to another website. Let's say the website is WriterGen. So whenever you will enter on this website, then it will extract all the emails from this website. You do not need to search the emails. It will extract all the things. See, in the same way you can get these things. And another feature that I want to show you, let's say you want to get the email from this website, but you do not want to get all the emails. You want to get email from only the marketing department of Nail Patel, or from only the management department of Nail Patel. So you can also filter these things basically. Let's say I will find all the leads from the marketing department of Nail Patel. So if I select here marketing, see these are the emails that are from the marketing department. And another thing is you can also find the mobile number. See, here are the phone number if these things are available. See, in this case the mobile number or phone number is available. So if I click on this phone button from here, it will give me the phone number basically. And here have the option to find a specific person. Let's say you want to find a specific person from this company, or let's say you want to find the contact detail of a specific person of this company. So you can search his name also from here, and then you can get the contact details of this person if it is available here on this website. I hope you get idea, guys, about the extension of Tomba. Now if I go to the website, see here it's not necessary to go to the website every time. You can search the domain also from here. Let's say I'll search the domain of Nail Patel. Let me copy the domain. So I'm copying the domain, and then if I search the domain here, and then if I search it, it will show you all the emails or all the contacts associated with this domain basically. Let it be load. See, from here also you can find all the leads of this specific domain. See, the similar thing you can get basically from here. You do not need to use the extension every time. If you want, you can use the extension. Also, if you do not want to use the extension, then you can get all the details basically from this dashboard. Just search the domain here and see here. Similarly, you can get the person's name, the contact details. You can see the confidence score of the email. You can verify the email from here. You can see the LinkedIn, Twitter handle, the country of the specific contact details, and then you can add these things on your lead list. These are the things, guys. After that, you can also see the sources of this email. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And then here I have option to export these contacts in CSV. You can export this contact in CSV, and then you can send all the contact details to your email marketing software basically. I hope you get idea, guys. So these are the options we have been find on this search option. After that, if I go to this finder, and let me go to this finder option, and see here in this finder option, you can find the contact details of a specific person. Let's say you want to find the contact details from this domain, but you want to find the contact details of a specific person associated with this domain or with this company. So you can search the name. Let's say I will search here the name of Neil Patel. I hope you are very familiar about Neil Patel. Okay, so if I search, let it be load and let me show. See, these are the things. I can find the contact details of a specific person also from here. So these are the things, guys. Also, there are option for author finder and enrichment, and these things, these author finders will be come soon. And if we go to this enrichment feature, so here in the enrichment option, it's saying that enter an email address to enrich your email with data. Let's say I will enter one of the email address. Let's say this is one of my email address, and let's see what happened. So it's saying that why does not the investment return any result? So it's not returning me any result. Let me give here another email. Let's say this is another email, and then if I search it, so from here I can get the investment result basically. So this is another way how you can find the contact details of a email. See, this is one of the email, and by searching this email in this enrichment option, here I can find more details about this email. These are the things, guys. After that, the next option is verifier. If we go to this verifier option, and if we enter any email here, then we can basically verify the email from here. Let it be verify. See, I have been entered one email here, and see, everything is valid here. But if I enter one invalid email, let me see what happened. Let's say this is one invalid email, and then if I search it, it's saying that it's invalid. Okay, so these are the things. After that, they have bulks option. So similar thing you can do in bulk method. You can search a lot of domain together here. You can search a lot of email in this email finder. You can enrich a lot of email through this enrichment option. So here you can do all the things basically in bulk method. After that, the last option is leads. So here, if I go to this leads, here you will see all your leads basically, and see here you can create as many new list you want, and your all leads information you will get here. And you can export these leads. You can print these leads basically from here, and then you can send all the emails or all the leads to your email marketing software. You can export in CSV also. You can add new leads manually also from here. I hope you get idea. And see, these are the integrations or application that are available. You can connect through this application from here basically. I hope you get idea, guys, about this tool. And then I will show you other features that are available here. If I go to the account section, here, see, you can see the number of uses here basically, and depending on your code, here you can see the code details, how many number of search requests and phone verification you will get here, how many number of email verification requests you will get here. And depending on these things, you can see all the uses from here. You can add here your team member. See, they have option for team member. You can invite them. After that, in the application section, there have the integration basically. There have integration for Pipedrive, Airtable, HubSpot, Mailchimp, Public Connect, JPR, Integrately, Flowmatic, and Connect IT. Also, they have API option. So if you want to use the API, then you can also use this API feature, guys. So these are the things. Now if I go back from here, here have the option for appearance. So if I go to the appearance section, you can change your appearance basically from here, language and appearance setting from here. And the last thing is there have webhook option. So if you need webhook to connect it with other software, or if you need webhook for any reason, then you can also use the webhook of Tomba. I hope you get idea guys about this tool, and the tool is really amazing. And if you think guys you need this type of lead generation tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Tomba lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. And you can get at least 10% discount guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount of Tomba lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.